Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the brand new MX11 smartwatch. In today's video we will see what we have from this smartwatch, what we have in the box and in the software as well. We will try all the options like music control and phone calls, and we will see if we can make phone calls and receive them as well. In the next video we will show you how to connect it with Android and iOS. So if you want to see all of this, hit the subscribe button and let's go ahead immediately start the unboxing. So as we know, in the MX11 we have 1.28 inch rounded display, we have a good resolution, full touch screen, and we have 230 mAh battery. As you can see, this is the first look at the MX11. Very good watch and good quality as well. And the gold color looks pretty good. We didn't have any gold smartwatches in our channel before. Underneath the box, we will find here the charger, the user manual, and two pairs of bands, which is awesome. As you can see, the user manual contains different languages, so it's easy for everyone to read and to use it. As you can see, we have here from English, Chinese, and multiple other languages that we can use. Next, you can see we have one pair of bands, pink color, and these are rubber bands. We have one screwdriver, and also we have one more pair of bands that are leather. So we can choose if we want to use leather or rubber bands. Other than that, in the MX11 we will find 3 to 5 days working time. We have heart rate tracker, audio chip, storage for music, we have Bluetooth calls. As you can see now, the MX11 is powered on. We have multiple faces that we can use, and we can connect to earphones, and the distance will work 5 to 7 meters, or when you connect to cell phones, the distance of the Bluetooth is 10 to 15. In the task manager, as you can see, we have some shortcuts, time, date, percentage of battery, we have don't disturb, and the other things. Down we have the music control that you can play. We have 2 or 3 songs already in the watch, and also we can raise and lower the volume from here. We can connect and control the music in our phone or in the watch itself. We can upload some music. If you delete these, you have to connect it with phone first. You can clearly hear we have a very good speaker in the MX11, which is always a good thing to have, and that shows us that we can listen to the music, and we can listen if we talk to someone else. You can see here you can change from phone to watch and earphones. So this is the music control that we have here in this watch. We don't have anything else down below here. Let's go to the right. We have the blood pressure. We will try that later and see how it will work. Next we have heart rate, sleep, steps, and that's it. If we press the first button, it shuts down the watch. The second button, we have sports, steps, sleep, heart rate, blood pressure, calls, contacts. We will try this later again, so we'll see how it works. We have call logs. We can add contacts here. We'll see that in the next video how to connect it. We have multiple options here. Also we have the female option for the ladies who buys this watch, and we have here the brightness, sound, and much more in the settings. So we have quite a few options in the MX11. You can see I'm raising the time for the screen off. Also we have auto lock, switch, we have the pulse rate, monitoring, blood pressure, heart rate, disconnect alert, turn the wrist, and we have the sedentary. We will see these in the app as well. We have the app, the QR code for the app, dial settings that we saw before, messages, and we can clear the data at the end. So this is the options in the MX11. So let's begin with some tasks here. Let's go straight to the menu as we saw before. At the top we have sports, where we can activate the outdoor run, outdoor walk, indoor run, indoor walk, hiking, stair step, outdoor cycling, sedentary bike, stationary bike, and much more option, plenty of them. If you press one of them, as you can see immediately, we have the seconds, calories, heart rate at the time at the bottom. In the left we have the music control, in the right we can end the session, down below we have steps, pace, distance, and the time as well. So this is the sport that we can try, and these are the options of the sport. Let's begin with health care now, which is heart rate in the first position. This is how the heart rate will look like when it's measuring, and you can hear a little vibration to tell you that the result is done. As you can see, we have highest and lowest. Now my watch just shut down, and that let me know that it's done. As you can see, now it restarted the measurements. After heart rate we have the blood pressure, so let's begin here as well. You can see the percentage is almost done, and this is the result for the blood pressure. As I always say, all these data will be saved in the app for us later to check out. Now in the line we have the calls that I said we will try. As you can see immediately, you can dial a number, but in our case let's try one of the numbers and see that we can't make any phone calls right now because we have to connect it with our phone first, and later when we show you how to connect it with Android and iOS, we will show you that you can make phone calls and we can actually hear from it while it's dialing. As you can see, it says to connect with Bluetooth, and this is how it will look like, but when you actually are connected, it doesn't say connecting, it just begins to dial the number that you call, which is a very good option to have. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.